All right, you guys, check it out. OGG, we're here. We're doing our series of DIY videos. This is part of an obstacle course. It's a super cool thing that can be built in the backyard. It's a slam wall. We built this as a slam wall and as a climbing wall. I'm going to give you the dimensions and how we built this. It's just an excellent addition that you can put in your backyard. It's going to take some effort, but if you do it right, it'll last you a long time and you can get tons of use out of it. What we did is we poured, it's a 7x8 slab. We went 4 inches down on the concrete slab, and that's the same thing as the wall. So we built the wall 7 feet across by 8 feet tall. So we wanted to have it kind of aesthetically to match the height and the width of the actual platform. We put black interlock flooring on here, and it can just pop right up, which is really easy to install. We put some double-sided tape as well, so it does stick. So if there is wind, it's not going to come flying up on us. It's a nice cushioned surface, so you're not necessarily on the concrete. It does get hot though with your hands, during the day. So got to be careful of that. When building the slam wall, we wanted to obviously build it as a climbing wall as well. We had a couple things in consideration. I mean, the owners of this have kids, and so they wanted the kids to be able to climb up the wall because it is 8 feet of a climb. What we did is we cut some of these boards. We have 15 2x6 boards. It's all pre-treated. So we have 15 going down, and then we also cut some of these boards in half. So by cutting them in half, we're able to open up little areas like this where kids can actually climb up like a ladder. So it makes it a little easier where they can put their feet in there and then climb all the way up and through. So kids love it. And then on the back, if you want to follow me, we left it open. We have 8x8 posts. So these posts go 8 feet tall. Again, it's pre-treated. So we built this pretty heavy because we're going to be slamming balls on it. You don't want to build anything lighter than maybe even 6x6 could work, but I wanted to go 8x8. We buried them 3 feet down. So we have a footing underneath here with concrete holding it up in place. I think 3 feet's fine. It's been holding up really well. I think you probably want to go 4 feet since you're going 8 feet up, but it's working really well for us, and that's why we put 3 posts across the back. We decided on doing a sand pit back here, and the reason why is because when you jump off the top of this thing, you wanted some cushioning, and so we wanted it where you're not going to be falling into the bark or anything like that. So we put together the sand pit. It only comes out 4 feet, it's 7 feet across, and it's about 4 feet from the post itself, which is plenty of room. But again, if you have critters in the area that want to use it as a sandbox, you got to be cautious about that because you just might get a surprise on your jump, We put just this basic box in here. This holds all of our medicine balls. So, slam balls and stuff like that. So, I mean, that was just kind of an afterthought. And we're just like, that's a great place that we can store it so we don't get, they're not exposed to the sun and they get brittle. So it worked out really well, and we're really happy with it, and so we're getting a ton of use on it. If you guys have any questions about this video, comment below. Make sure that you reach out to us, let us know, because we want to help you build this kind of stuff. Continue to follow our YouTube channel, subscribe below. See you soon.